Today I'm going to be trying the Kinder's Party Wings. I got these on sale at Walmart. And I'm also going to be making some homemade ranch. So let's get these in the air fryer. The directions does say to cook them for 16 to 18 minutes on 375 on the air fryer. I do have an air fryer in my oven, built into my oven, so that's what I'm doing. And this one is the buttery buffalo, and this one is the sticky honey barbecue. This will be my husband's side, and this will be my side. And Mr. Keith will eat from them all. Alright, so the package just has the sauce, I'm assuming, to coat the wings with when they're done. I do have my air fryer already preheated. So, let me wash my hands off really quick and we'll try to make some ranch. This is the best kind of ranch right here. I've been craving it so bad. So, alright, it calls for 1 cup of mayo. You can use whatever mayo you want if you're making this. And a cup of buttermilk. And 1 package of the restaurant style Hidden Valley ranch seasoning mix. I'm going to use my empty pickle jar that is clean, and I'm going to do this. Alright, there's a cup of buttermilk. And now a cup of mayo. I've never had this kind of buttermilk before. It's called Fancy or something. It's super thick, so this is going to be really good. Cup of mayo. Alright, we got our ingredients in there. And I'm going to mix this really well, and then I'm going to shake it up also. You can make this in anything you want. It doesn't matter. You can put it in a little plastic jar or glass jar. I save all my jars, so. Alright, I'm going to shake it up. Oh my, perfect. Yummy. That's going to be for the wings. I'm tossing yours right now. Oh no. Okay, so I just want to try one of yours, and you want some of mine?
Yeah.
Alright, so you want to try both? Okay, I want you to have the little drums, and I can have the flats. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Quite crazy stuff.
Mm-hmm.
We hardly left. Time to go. Maybe say something I want to.
Stop. I'm know. She's just begging.
Paper towels. Keith, one.
Yeah, I'm gonna save him some.
Alright.
Uh,
Want to try one?
got the ranch. It's homemade. It's right here.
Wrong stuff.
Had my eyes watering. Mine did a minute ago.
Pretty bad.
No, not the barbecue isn't.
Let's eat a hot one.
It is good. With the ranch, it'll be really good.
Keith over here, I'm taking my burger.
His is right here.
Where?
You can take your plate.
Alright, well, here's a plate. I want some ranch. Pour me a little bit of that bowl. Give me enough for a little snack.
Here. Or you can pour some of that in a little bowl here.
Well,
I don't need all that.
much either. I don't need a little bit.
Alright.
Appreciate you.
Love you.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You and many others.
Right, you wish.
Uh-huh. I know.
Oh, I need some of them. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Alright, they are good. I like this. The ranch makes them so much better. I love it.
Good.
Why'd you have to sit that right there?
What?
The paper towels.
I don't know, I set you a paper towel right here too, put stuff on.
Alright.